Prevention in general is the most effective way to fight disease, as history of medicine tells us. But when it comes to cancer, unfortunately, we are not there yet.
The Moros Integrated Cancer Center is a new flagship initiative of the Weizmann Institute, aiming to maximize the contribution of Weizmann scientists to global cancer research. Cancer is a very complex set of diverse diseases. Cancer prevention is one of the major challenges to modern society.
Much of cancer research is devoted to cure, and in cure, you study the disease itself and then try to find a drug or a procedure that will kill the tumor and not kill the patient. We are trying to, in a way, to avoid all of this. So we say, let's understand how cancer develops in the first place. What are the causes? We must understand the disease on a molecular level and stop it just before it develops into a cancer. A key guardian against cancer is DNA repair. Cancer is caused by mutations and by DNA damage, and our body contains very effective mechanisms to attract and follow that damage and repair it and remove it. So whenever there is either weakness in DNA repair, what happens, damage accumulates, mutation accumulates, and then cancer risk increases dramatically.
Low DNA repair, it doesn't mean that you for sure are going to develop cancer. It's actually the combination of the exposure to DNA damage and the need to repair this damage. In our lab, we have developed a blood test to measure DNA repair in individuals. Because early detection of lung cancer today is possible, we can direct these high-risk individuals to early detection and save their lives.
Our lab is focused on the study of the microorganisms that were lately found to be an integral part of our human body and to be extremely important for almost every aspect of our existence and to susceptibility to very common diseases, trying to understand which are the signatures of microbes that predispose a certain individual to a greater susceptibility to develop colorectal cancer. And with this, we hope to develop new and much more accurate and sensitive diagnostic methods that would allow us to detect colorectal cancer before it even develops.
Metabolism is a set of chemical reactions that actually is intended to keep the body at equilibrium or homeostasis. When metabolism is abnormal, it can cause a disease, and vice versa. When we have a disease, there is a requirement for metabolic adaptation. Here we focused on colon cancer because it has a direct interaction with the diet and the nutrients. So we're looking at specific metabolic genes and specific metabolites, which is the products of these enzymes' function, and we're trying to see if we manipulate their levels, are we able to influence the progression of cancer?
Preventing cancer will have an immense effect on our health. And to do that, you really need many expertise. Here at the Weizmann, we are combining biology, biochemistry, genetics, chemistry, physics, bioinformatics, computers, all of this, in order to understand really how cancer develops, what are the sources of cancer, and trying to reach and develop new ways to reduce the incidence of cancer on the planet. And that will be, of course, a great achievement for human health.